Okay, just give you an idea what the parent looks like. Up, come on. That's the mom, and the other one's the dad. Okay, so that's a pearl cocktail, and the dad's the normal gray. I know it's a little dark here because I closed the door and I don't have light here. I don't want them to fly out of the shed. Come on, come on. Check on your babies. I just finished cleaning the cage. Now just checking on the nesting box and also clean up the mess inside as well. Just a chance. All these babies, they're hungry. So I have 4 babies here. And I'm checking on the chicks here. I have 4 right now. And also 1 cocktail egg about to hatch. Just listen to it. You actually can hear the chick inside. And then I can feel it. Right, it's moving. So I assume it's about to come out. It'd be a cool video though. I'm gonna just let that thing. Right, can you listen to it? Okay, got the nesting box all cleaned up. It was a mess. Took me a while, but finally got it done. Now I'm going to put some substrate in, and I just use this hay because it's a food source for my rabbits and tortoises, so I don't have to buy extra substrate for just for the birds. And I think that's good enough. Just put this one in, and then starting putting the baby birds in. Tiny little chicks. Got 2 here. Okay, this one. Here's another one. More. Another one. This one's slightly bigger, and this one's like the second biggest. So that one, I assume it's about a week old. So you can see the eyes really open, and then the second one is like maybe 5 to 6 day range, and the other one is like maybe 4 days, and this one, the tiny one, it's a couple days old. And lastly, I have this one's about to hatch. I'm going to put it in the corner so no one can step on. And yeah. Okay. Like they're hissing on me. Go cuddle with your brothers and sisters. Go. Okay. I mean, they like to bond together so they can stay up warm and stuff like that. But, okay. Keep flipping. I think they're hungry, so I'm going to put the nesting box back so the parents can feed them. They look so ugly but cute at the same time. Alright, that's all. Last piece of wood, and that's it. That's the nesting box here. You can check through the little, and it's too dark.